Yeah, I took this buy setup for USJPY, USDJPY. Right, so um, these are my entry points. These are my entry levels. Right, so I took buy positions there at those entry level, and that is my TP1. That level is my TP1. My psychological thought is that price is going to get to TP1, and um, probably um, I have my Excel under. So there are two things can happen. It can either go to my TP1 or it goes to my Excel. Anything can happen. And I have my TP2, which is my final target. Right. So fingers crossed. Let's see what the market does. Right. Now the point is using Excel is not debatable to me because it's a paramount thing I do using Excel. The market could go any direction. It could go to my direction of speculation according to my analysis, or it could go to the opposite direction. So nothing. I'm expectant, right? I'm expectant. That is why I always use my risk parameters, right? So let's see what happens moments later, right? Moments later, let's see. Yeah, so you can let's look for USDJPY, USDJPY. This is Euro USD. Let me go to USDJPY and see the chart. What my trade is looking like right now, right? So you can see moments later. Right, this market is on fire, right? So um, breaking news: TP1 has been smashed. TP1 has been smashed. You can see that, right? Right. So my speculation for this, it's accurate for a buy. Like you can see, I speculated it was going to buy. So now it's time for me to trail my stop loss, right? Just to protect my profits and my capital, right? So I just trailed stop loss at break even. Now my stop loss is at break even, right? So this way there are no longer emotions to this trade. It's gonna be 50-50 win for me, right? Because the market could either go to TP2, which is my final target, or it may reverse back to, if it reverses back to where I have my trailing stop loss, then I'll be out of the market, but not on a loss mood, right? I'm not on a loss mood. So, and that is just my trading plan. That's a trading plan. You can you trading doesn't it isn't just being able to speculate the direction that the market would go. It's also about learning how to be defensive. Whenever after you've made these profits, you need to learn how to defend and protect your profits. If not, the market doesn't owe you any favor. The market can still take the profits out away from you. But however, let's see what becomes of it. I have my final target at TP2. Right. Let's see, fingers crossed. Like let's just see, right. So let's see what happens within these. Mm, right. So um newsflash, and the trade haunted Excel at break even. So, like you can see what I said, that is why it's important to always trail Excel, always trail after you make profit. Monitor the trade. Do not just leave your capital exposed to the market. You can see that I actually trailed my XL, right? So that way there is no longer emotion. This is a win-win for me because I did not lose any money in this case. I didn't lose any money in this case. I got profits. I secured my profits, and I also secured my capital. So it's a win-win situation for me. Forex trading, like I said, is I always tell people, it's you must learn how to be uh, proactive and also defensive, right? You should be able to know when to go in and win. Once you win, you should also learn how to defend your wins, right? Whenever you get any win, you learn how to defend it, protect your capital. The market doesn't owe us any favor. Whatever you're making from this market is as a result of your skill, which implies trading.